one of my favorite things on this bike. You don't think you're gonna want them until you finally use them. There's just nothing better than that. Welcome back to another video. We're here on a chilly day out here in dirty Jersey. Partly cloudy, kind of, so we got no blue skies today. But we're on the bike, we're on the s1000rr, and today I want to talk about one of my favorite things on this bike. We got it going on right now. Boom, right there. Heated grips on a sport bike. We got a level 3 right now. Real nice and toasty. The weather today is 43, 44, 45 around there. So a chilly day, but these heated grips do allow me to go out, enjoy the ride, and ride longer than expected. It's just, heated grips are just awesome, man. The thing with heated grips is that you don't think you're gonna need them, or you don't think you're gonna want them until you finally use them. Once you use heated grips, you're like, yeah, how did I go life riding without heated grips? I got heated grips on this bike. I've had heated grips on other previous bikes that I had on my Harley Davidson Glide, which was amazing on that bike as well. But days like this, man, you know, we're in the fall time right now. This is late November, and the weather is in the 40s, and I want to keep riding. I tend to ride all year round. If it goes below 37, I'm not gonna ride, just because of, like, you know, ice patches on the road or whatnot. It's just too freaking cold. But if it's in the 40s, I'm gonna be riding all winter long, and the heated grips, to me, it's amazing, man. Me, like, if I don't get cold too much, but once my hands are gone, once my hands feel super cold, I'm done for the day. I just want to wrap it up, go home, get under the covers, and that's it, man. But the heated grips allow you to kind of keep you warm. And I know there's like this misconception of, well, what happens to the top of your hands? Because the bottom of your hand stays warm. How about the top? It doesn't really matter. It's weird. For those of you guys who haven't used heated grips, or if you're wondering, it's just weird the way the dynamic is, because the bottom of your hands get warm, and it keeps your body warm. Today I don't have my heated vest on. I usually, for chilly days, I'll put on a heated vest. And then that keeps me even super warm as well. So any wind going against me, it's also, you know, keeping me warm on top. And then with the heated grips, it's awesome. Even right now, it's on level 3, and it's actually a little bit too hot for me. Very easy to change. You're gonna press the heated grip button again, bring it down to level 2. Just stop right here. Press it again, go into level 1. If you just want to shut the whole thing off, just hold it down. But even right now, for like level 1 is really awesome for this type of weather. There's just nothing better than that. Nice, cozy, warm touch to your hands, man. And especially like on days like this, it's like 42 degrees right now. I got the heater grips going on. I feel the heat coming off the tank as well, and off the engine, and it's so toasty. It's the best. It's such a good feeling. Anyways, that's one of my favorite things on this bike. It's awesome. As little and stupid as it is, it's awesome, because you know what? It allows me to keep riding in cold weather. And we all know that a lot of people, they ride in the summertime, they ride in the springtime, and then they store their bikes, especially sport bikes. People don't really ride sport bikes. Very rare to see a sport bike on the road in the wintertime. my Harley Lowrider ST. I ride that bike all around, rain, cold. It's been days where it started snowing. I was on that bike, and you see more cruisers on the road in the cold time. But yeah, man, if you want to keep riding, heater grips, highly recommend it. Anyways, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna keep enjoying my nice chilly weather here. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Like always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. Like always, guys, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.